What's the meaning of advanced higher? Advanced higher. Advanced higher. Advanced higher. Advanced higher. Advanced higher. In the Scottish education system, advanced higher is a qualification offered to students in their final year of high school. It is a more advanced level of study compared to the standard higher qualification, and is generally taken by students who wish to pursue further education at university. The advanced higher qualification is designed to provide students with a deeper understanding of their chosen subject and to prepare them for the rigors of higher education. Successful completion of the advanced higher course requires a high level of academic prowess and often involves the completion of a significant research project or dissertation.